Hey, good morning everybody. We're getting on the Austin Mountain Furnace Trail today. It's like 11.5 miles. And I'm right here now at Black Rock Summit parking lot. And got like 0.5 to the summit. And then I'll pass Trayfoot Mountain Trail. And then I'm going to turn right and do the Austin Furnace Trail heading to Madison Run. That's where I have to get water and get it's a nice creek crossing. And I'll be heading on up towards the summit again, right there where there's a really good camp spot. All right, well, I'll catch y'all later. All right, see y'all down trail. a little over 5.5, almost 6 miles. I made it to Austin Mountain Trail, and I've been forewarned that it's a steep. You can see it goes straight up right out of the fire. I'm on the fire road. I just crossed Madison Run, and yeah. So then I gotta go. You say it levels out. It's like a rocky shale bed, like sort of. I don't know what they said it was, but it's a long rocky section you gotta go through. A very long ways of it, and then pick up the AT again, then head south and back to the parking lot. So I've got that's 5.5 more miles to go, 5-ish, somewhere in there. Probably 2 or 3 miles of nothing but climbing. So anyway, I'll see y'all at the top. People, this is steep. There was a little short piece after you climb that little knoll out of the fire road. Didn't look too bad. And then she's getting steep. Oh me. That's what it's all about. Alright. I'll see y'all at the top. The video does not do it justice. This bird is steep. You gotta be crawling.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네.
Hope everybody's alright. I'm okay because I just finished the just shy of 4 miles, which is the Austin Mountain Trail, and I have to say that trail, when you come out of the fire road beside Madison Run, it will absolutely kick your ass. It's steep, very steep, and as I put my hips into a screaming scenario, I mean, I'm feeling it now. And I've still got probably 4 more miles to go, but still enjoying it. It's a good workout. Didn't camp on the trail. I was going to last night, but it rained, so I came back to the mountains and jumped into the Rocky Top, Black Rock Summit parking lot, and got in on the trail there and went clockwise. And like I said, to my surprise, when I got on the Austin Mountain Trail, it was hard. So I'm still plugging along, and I'll see y'all down trail.
너와 나의 다른 생각이 결국엔 우리를 서로 갈라서게 만들었어. 근데 왜 이런 얘기를 하게 된 건지 난 모르겠어. 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너와 나 이렇게 잊혀진다면.
Alright, I just left the Shenandoah campgrounds. They had a water spigot there, and I filled up and filtered it. I guess because it's at a campground, they had a pretty nasty sign up there saying about all the protozoa and contaminated water, this and that and the other. So the filter does the job, but you didn't hear it in the video just now. Skyline Drive is right there. AT runs right beside it. And it's a nice flat section. I'm on my final leg. I probably got maybe 1.75 miles, something like that, to get to Black Rock parking lot. And That would have been a 13, 14 mile day. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this hike. It was pretty hard and I'm feeling it. Pretty tired. Got a long drive back, but training for this fall, you know, it's you have to do it. Kind of let you know where you stand, you know. So anyway, I'll see y'all later on. See you at the parking lot. Back in the parking lot, airing my feet out, and today, including the walk up to the summits, well, the main summit, which was a mile extra what the loop actually said it was. It put me at 14 and a half miles today. That was pretty good, and it was hard. So I'll be catching y'all later, and I'll see you on the next trail.
한다면 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 yeah.